Hello traders. So market is again stable. Is yesterday we have taken a same position in this price range. So there are not much volatility as it is easily can accessible in even a chart on a 1 hour chart that it is still trading on a same range with the same moving average, and MACD is even also subsidizing the volatility. So we are again trading in a buy side with the and all the positions we are taking again with the same sequence of the 10 parts. Currently the risk is low as market has stabilized the movement. So LTCV buy again. EOS we will take 20,000. And we will take XRP 200k as there are 2 million, but we will divide it into 10 parts. So that's all done. So the open position here as 20. It's already in a profit. Okay, good. So we will wait for again to book around 0.4 to 0.8 BTC. So we will not book currently. We will hold for some more time as this is only $2,000 profit, as we want some more profit to be booked. So keep watching it, and we will keep updating the scenario of the crypto market. So we are in a master to do the proper entry and proper exit. So you will not need to be worried when to exit, when to enter. We will guide you. Once the market is in a top oversold condition, we will tell you to buy. When it is in overbought condition, we will tell you to sell. So you gather all the movement of the market, either up or either down. You will remain into the profit. So hope it is very enjoyable to see the trades, and now you can even connect the exchange with the API key, and either you can connect MT4 or MT5 account. And yes, now currently the profit is almost 5,000. Once it reached to the point 1 years, now the profit is 5,000 USD. So within less than 3 minutes, if the profit is this much high, then it should be book the profit. So we are closing the trades as the profit is pretty good in the terms of the timing which we have traded it. So better to be closed as more than $6,000-7,000 profit within a few minutes. So that's a very, very good. And see, all are the things we are updating openly, so you can understand the trade sales profit has been booked around. So capital has increased from 0.15, so almost $7,000 USD profit has been booked. So these are the today's trades on a 25th. This was the yesterday trades. As yesterday we only trade one time, as there was again the same volatility. Today we traded again the one time, as already profit has been booked. And day before yesterday, 23rd, there was extreme volatility. So see the trades, too many trades we have placed. 23, almost 4 times we have traded. See the 23, because we have gathered around 4 to 5 BTC profit. So it is a huge profit. But once the market is not in a high volatile, you should book the small profit, or either sometimes small loss even. So it is like $5,000, $6,000 profit. Once market is stabilizing, it is still even pretty good, and it is a very good output and very good ROI as compared to the invested capital. So same thing you can even do with the Signal service, and we will guide you how to trade and what exchange should choose. So you don't need to worry. We will even call you to the clients that you should take the entry, and with the very peace of mind, by only trading 1 or 2 cryptos, or 4 to 5 cryptos in a month, you can gather a very good amount of profit. You can even increase the ROI from 4 to 5%, God willing, of your capital. And there are, if the chances are good, it can go up to 10 times of your capital. So whatever the charges we are taking, we are already going to increase our charges. So subscribe soon before the price hike, so you will get the maximum advantage of our service and our ideas and our the advice of in a crypto market. Wish you happy trading.